In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3110 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Chrome. And here at the Chrome, please proceed to the search bar and type for Epson L3110 driver and hit the enter key. And in that way, you would be navigated to the list of results. So here at the first result, click on it, this one, click on it, and it is under epson.com.ph. Okay, so in a few moments you would be navigated to the page itself where you can see the printer driver. All you need to do is you need to navigate there, and it kind of look like this. Okay, I mean not like this, because this is the part where it asks you to agree on the license agreement, but instead you would be able to get a window like this. Sorry for that. So scroll down on the list and click on downloads to refresh the page, and kindly wait until you can select your operating system, which is the Windows 11. Okay, so good. Since it's automatically detect our operating system, all you need to do is you need to navigate with the drivers and go with printer driver. Click on download, and eventually you can see a window where it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Click on accept. Okay, once you have clicked on it, it will now start in the downloading process. Just navigate there to the download icon and please select this one. Once it is being downloaded, click on show in folder, and it would be showed here to the location where it is being placed to. Make a right click and click on this cut icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one, and from here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. The moment you have successfully moved the file or application here, please make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. However, if you don't have any, you can double tap, and then that way you will be able to unzip or extract the file. So click on extract to L3110. Once done, a new file folder would be created, and that would mean we have successfully extracted it. Then you need to navigate directly to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. So here at the settings window, this is where we're gonna install our printer driver. So here you need to wait until everything are set. You can also press, by the way, Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Directly proceed to Bluetooth and devices once it is being set, and please look for printers and scanners. Here you can get an option like this. Click on Add Device and wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it, and please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port and click on next. Once good, please click on have disk and click and since place at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down, double tap, and please choose one, double tapped, and then double tapped, and it will show you the driver. Select any of these two. This functions similarly, so you don't have anything to worry about. And eventually, our printer would be placed there. Click on next and click on next, and it will now start in the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next and go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the Epson L3110 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.